Hi YouTube, today I'm going to do a little review on the Sealey Mighty MIG 150. As you can see from the front of it, on off switch, min and mains 1 and 2, min and 1 you'd use it on thin metal, max and 2 you'd use it on thicker metal. It's got your wire speed there. So it's quite easy machine to use. I was using the Draper 90, which lasted about a week, and then the wire feed system just went on that. So I thought I'd invest in a slightly better one. This one was £180, where the Draper one was £90, and the welding on it wasn't very good. So I thought I'd step up a little bit and get this one, and it welds a lot better than the Draper. Even though it was another £100 more, but you pay for what you get, I suppose. The handle's quite good on it, it's quite strong, but the hinges are little plastic hinges and they broke. Well, it was delivered and they were broke. A lot of reviews on Amazon say that the hinges are broke when this thing's delivered, so I don't know why they don't do something about that, but I should be making some hinges instead of sending the machine back, because the machine itself is working really well. It's built really well apart from the hinges, and the wheels are a little bit on the flimsy side. Other than that, it makes welding really easy with flux core. I'll just show you the side view. This is the side view of it. And the inside. This is the inside. This machine can do flux core or with a bottle of gas. You just switch them two wires around. Flux core is like that, and if you want to use a gas bottle, you just switch them two wires around and put a gas bottle on the back connected to that hose. This is the wire that this machine come with, and it is a really good wire actually. 0.9, which is fed into there. You just undo this, turn that up, this flops down, turn this, it moves out of the way, and the wire just feeds in through there into a little slot. You just press your trigger and it'll come out. Make sure you hold on to this with one hand as you're feeding this through, otherwise it's like a spring, it'll just spring out and you'll have a big bird nest there, which you don't want. But the wire system on this one works much better than the Draper. I'll show you the leads now. The only thing about this machine is this earth clamp. It's very small, it doesn't open very wide. So I will be changing that to a bigger one. It's alright for thin bits of metal, but if you want to weld something a bit wider, it's not very wide at all. This is the gun. Not particularly brilliant quality, but it does work very, very well. This is a little bit of metal that I've just welded. I've only been welding for about a month, so I'm no expert. This is purely for someone who wants to get into welding, but doesn't know too much about it. As an amateur, this machine is done me good actually. It's very easy to learn how to use. I've only been watching some YouTube videos to get some tips, and it makes MIG welding quite easy. So if you're thinking about getting one, I'd have a really good look at this one. It was £180 on Amazon, but expect the hinges to be broken. But that's the only downside of this machine I can see. So I hope your one, when it's delivered, hasn't got broken hinges. I hope this has been pretty useful for you. Thanks for watching.